Hello, Miss Susan.
Hello.
You have a project going on.
I do, and I thought you were asleep.
Show everybody what you're doing. What you got here?
I am trying to move all of these lambs from this board to this board.
So we had so many lambs born that they wouldn't fit on our whiteboard anymore at the farm. But we liked the concept so much that we decided to go big. Jerry Deal was kind enough to give us his old whiteboard that they're no longer using in their office anymore. Mostly probably to get it out of their hair. but we wanted one, and so we got one. So you want to tell everybody what your system is, or you still ain't got all that figured out yet?
Well, so far I've got pretty much all the information we had on the other board, which was what number lamb it was. Aquarius was the 13th lamb born to Co-Star, and she only had one, so there's an empty space where she could have had another one. Aquarius was a ewe. She was tagged with 6240. She was born on January 25th at 7.85 pounds, and she's white. And we haven't really done anything else yet. We do have a few over there that have some CD&T that they've already gotten, but that's, so far we've still got some good space to do other things with.
Fantastic. All right, now on to the hard part. Hanging it in the barn.
I have no idea.
Haven't got that figured out yet.
Wrap a big string around it and hang it from the ceiling. I don't know.
All right. Well, thank you, Miss Susan. Appreciate the nice tour.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey. Hey. How you doing? What's up, Rockefeller? Got an itch? Rockefeller. He's a good boy. Hi. Hey, Rockford. Rockefeller, are you going to learn how to be nice? Your mom's a little crazy, but you don't have to be. Hi. Hi.
Aw, what a good baby. Hi. Hi, Rockford.
Hey, Rockford. You can come say hi too.
Oh, hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart. You're so cute. You are so cute.